another person papa house, go there, drag am with am. They go look for your eye, make dem comot something for there. So my people, okay, somebody join me here now. Biafra Battle Cry TV. You're welcome. Just greet our Biafran people before we go on.
Hello, our Biafra people. I greet you again. Good evening, good night, and good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching from. As we promise you, as we are coming up this evening, here we are again to bring to you the light of freedom, to bring to you the embodiment of our freedom to depart from the damnable zoological republic. Our gospel is pure and it is certain. Here we are today. We are doing it according to the gospel of our leader, Master Nandekado, left for us. And we must maintain that legacy because he has left message for us. If we fail not to carry on where he stopped, means that we didn't listen to him, means that we didn't appreciate what he told us. So the spirit of our leader has entered us. That's why we are here. And we promise you that we cannot fail you. And we thank you for coming on board, coming online to see what we are doing and to support us in many ways, to encourage us. If not you, we can't be here. And if not uh, you, we cannot even be giving this message. You are there for us, and we are here for you. So, like our people used to say that the person that travel, I don't know how to speak it in English. Onye galife gachitela onye nọ n'ụlọ, onye nọ n'ụlọ gachitela onye nọ n'ife. So when a left hand is doing something, you have to let the right hand to know what he's doing. That's what we are here to make the critical awareness. So stay tuned, and I thank our host, Biafra Voice 247. Thank you again for having me. It is a pleasure. Over to you.
Ndewo. Mm, okay, we move. So, like I said, today we don't choose today. Make we take and talk. Waiting they go on. Number one thing, the floor they open for anybody that want to come in. So, number one thing, we go discuss one. Why have people suddenly forgotten to shout obedience? They are now shouting, we want new currency. Number two, we go also discuss why are you not getting the new currency? Why do you have to strive, fight each other, break each other head? You get the one why I see for bank, they carry out yon, they knock each other. Who go first go? This is their plans just to set you up to kill yourself. Then I go tell you and I go show you. Maybe some of you go don't see the video because I make them before. If I know say I think say because I get code, I don't know say I go come line and for no put them. I don't put the video. Terrorists don't get plenty new naira notes. And you dey there, they fight to get one. Hey,
I don't have.
CBN see the dispatch. CBN they share. If you can't, they are begging people to come and change their own for not CBN. No, no be Bank of the North. CBN go not. They encourage people, beg them, come and change your own old note. And if you agree can't change them, they go dash you 200 euro on top, 200 naira on top. If you change reach 10,000, take care. They go dash you 200. Jara Sarah. But for your Yoruba land, for your Biafra land, you no go see am get. If you want change 10,000, you go pay extra 3,000.
Can you imagine?
If you get the money, say you want go take and put for bank go tell you say they know the collector. Make you collect your own wey dem bank go tell you say dem no get new currency, na old one dem get. Economic sabo.
The economic,
But the one wey I wan make you hala pass, terrorists with the new note. Somebody made mention of what do you call it? Bullion van seen located in Sambisa forest. Who were they going there to see? I didn't see the news, and I didn't get the news. I would have loved to get that news. I was in a hurry when that person said it. I would have asked him for the information. So if you know of the information, I beg you, just tell me. Drop am here, make we follow here, go look for am. Na jihad karaka, sabotua karaka. Now, those people that has been crying for sit at home, why you not know they cry again?
ask me, oh,
Is it sit at home now that is your problem, or new currency, or Obi, or Simon Ekpa?
you know, see where Joey Boko they cry. Joey Boko they cry.
Even Joey Bokwe come out to come cry, touch am. And
Hmm?
Fani Kayode, I hear am in the talk say there is a hidden agenda. You will not get any money until after election. Una see how it dey go. But northerners are not suffering the same thing wey una dey suffer for the south. They no dey suffer
Yeah.
anything. But una dey suffer. May God have mercy on us. I go first look for that Kayode. Make we start with him. Make I look for am. So we go start with his own.
You mean
Make
Femi
we see
Kayode?
wetin him talk.
He said something recently. Okay, the one he said that some people, some political elite in APC are trying to help Atiku. Is that one?
No, he said something about the naira note, new naira note.
Okay. Was
I
it two
don't
days?
know for the paper why I say am again. I've been
Was it
think
2
saying
days
na
ago?
for Guardian.
I think it was 2 days ago. I saw that
Na today. I
today.
see am today.
Oh,
Na
okay.
punch newspaper, no no. Hmm, that is it. My people, I am
It's
telling you, we have no choice but to get our Biafra.
yeah.
Tori day,
Sorry, there.
Tori day,
Sorry, there. No be small.
Tori Boko. If I no say am, we go move on, no problem.
Yeah.
So all these people now, even this e dey for viral video shows terrorists, e dey for punch newspaper, no be me. I go show you the video, but first of all, to tell you say no be because na for Hausa dey speak, make you see am, make you see the news. I go show you the video, but first of all, see the news. Wetin I dey do? First of all, see the news. How I wan share this now? See am. I don't know say that carry himself. See am. See the news. See am. Viral video shows terrorists brandishing words of new notes.
Imagine.
Why you dey there, you no get anywhere. You go see the video, I go show you the video. Make una relax, make una calm down, make una no worry on herself. Today na today. We dey here, we dey here. We no dey go anywhere until we finish our exposition. Na wetin we come do. Excuse me. I can tell you I get small cold, so I go sneeze o. So my people, e dey hot. As e dey hot, na so e go be. Now we go start with this video. Make I just start dey show you with this video. See, if the video no show you, let me know. If you no show, make una let me know abeg. I don dey. Whoa! Moza! Whoa!
Yeah. If you see, what about if you landed on the ground?
Um. Okay, it's showing. So this thing happened today. People were fighting because of they just set people up.
My God, I can't believe this.
You see?
What
You
about if you
see?
give this on top of someone's head and the person dies? The person died for
God will
nothing.
save them. They no hit am for anybody head. God will just save them. They no hit am for any. They, two of them, nobody get touched. Yeah, go on. Go down. Go down. Go go.
Is this bank? Bro, is this bank?
Now wetin happen? Na Nigeria dey happen to them. Na Nigeria happen here. No, you don't need to worry yourself. This
So,
is that
what
Nigeria
about
we are talking about. Don't allow it to happen to you.
what, what I'm
This
asking?
is what they want to be going on. And this thing, I believe, either in Lagos or in either Yoruba land or Biafra or Bini, as they say, they know be Biafra. Do you
So,
see
if by
what is going
mistake,
on?
if
Eh?
by mistake this landed on this person's head now,
Speak louder, bro. Speak more louder.
I'm speaking loud. I said, let me see. Yeah, my speaker is to the 100%.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm asking a question. Assuming by chance or by mistake, the opponent landed this thing on the head of the other person and the person died.
One
And
Nigeria now.
he
One
died
Nigeria.
because of one Nigeria, or
Na
he
turn by
died.
turn. Na turn by
Hey,
turn.
he doesn't
If
want it.
anything happens, it's turn by
He
turn.
doesn't want it. This doesn't want it. Because of what? Nigeria?
See,
Hi.
let me tell you. Don't say it doesn't want it because they are possessed with the demonic influence of one Nigeria.
I can't even fight
Until
this country.
you accept to separate yourself from this demonic influence,
Is
you no
any
go know.
politician? No politician is here. They are the ones suffering it.
Police, listen. As the thing they go, if you listen very well, you go hear where one get the call. Where are securities? Security abandon them. Come out to self.
Jesus Christ.
Securities abandon them. Waka make they kill themselves.
Just because you want to keep Nigeria.
One Nigeria. You see, people will go to any length to keep one Nigeria, and one Nigeria will go to any length to destroy them. This is what they don't even know. We are not begging anybody to repent, but if you refuse to repent, now what you get, now me go get. Now be that. That's just that simple. That
Mm.
is just that simple.
Can't believe it. So just in the morning, any of these people now wake up, they will believe say they can last the whole of 24 hours, but they never knew that they can go out there, get provoked and try to fight in the name of one Nigeria and get killed. So in the grave, would they be asking themselves, how had I known? Or would they be blaming themselves, if someone tell me that I will not last more than 24 hours, I won't believe you. Look at where I am. You will be regretting it. Eh? This is a high risk. You. Look at how that guy lift up that barrier.
Na security o, you know say dat one wey lift dat thing up now wey wear uniform na security be. So the girl dem come where the other securities dey, all of
Oh,
them
really? Na security be that one.
na security be now.
And person wey enter bank, dey fight security.
Maybe
So
e no gree make e enter line o, maybe dem don tell am say make e comot, say e no go collect money.
hi, this is a wicked country. A very wicked country. Very, very wicked. A country that doesn't care for their own citizen. Eh?
Care for which citizen? Which citizen? Are
My
you a
brother,
citizen? Dangote tell you say you be citizen. Have Dangote accepted you as a citizen of Dangote group of company?
I saw
Yeah?
in a group who owns Nigeria, Dangote. Can you imagine?
This is Dangote group of company. And you are here asking me question. These people, the demons, Nigerian demons has entered their head. And there is
Mm.
nothing you can do to change it. Because unless they accept Biafra, as long as they still remain in Nigeria, that spirit can never come out. It is there. Because you cannot leave your hand cannot remain inside the pot of soup that the soup is telling you. It's a lie. You have to bring out your hand first, wash it clean before you will say yes, there is no longer. But as long as he's there, bro, forget it.
My brother, what I don't understand is that is it by force to be in Nigeria? Or is it a tax, like Obama said, that it's a tax to keep one Nigeria? Then, if you are keeping it, is it a duty to die in Nigeria? Just look at what Joe Ibokwe is saying today. He went to bank, like
We go
nothing,
see them again now.
and
We
he's
go
complaining.
visit all of them this night. Again, we go see them.
Who are you complaining to? Who are you complaining to? You complaining that
Ah,
uh, um, no naira in the bank, there's no naira in the cash machine. Who are you complaining? Are you not the one who is supporting evil? Eh? You're supporting evil. And you're complaining. You see, the whole thing, I don't understand it. I don't understand.
ah.
Somebody ga-afụ eziokwu ma ụdị ihe na-asị na ọ bụ eziokwu. Eh, in fact, some of them, ji ya asị were kpara ngwa ọrụ. Yiri asị ka uwe, yiri eyiri bụ uwe. Joe Igbokwe, who is one Nigerian, is fighting, want to die, went to bank. There is no, hi, Jesus Christ, look at it. Eh? Look at it.
Okay, no be security. I think say na security. Now another person who customer welcome like him.
You wear mufti.
Well moved.
Well, thank God for those people that were there that stop the fight. If not, one person must die. Believe me, one person must die. Man, this is total ignorance. It's absolutely total ignorance. They shouldn't have done. You see, when you talk about Oduduwala, they will attack you. When you talk about Biafra, they will attack you. But still, they want to die. Yeah? People making your life miserable. They don't use naira notes. They use dollars. They use dollars. Their own food even doesn't come from local. It comes from international. Some of them import food, foreign food, and eat. Their children don't school there. All their children are abroad. Even some of their children, not some, all of their, all from president to local government, they don't rent house here. They don't rent house in Europe. They rent. They only bought a house for their children so that their children will not bother for house rent or whatever. They just bought a house for them. They're being lazy. All they do is to go to club. I saw one guy where I went was it last week or 2 weeks ago. A politician's child. If you see how the kind of wine he just placed on the table with his mate, expensive wine, a wine of a wine of 250 pounds, a wine of 250 pounds times five. Now he put for table times five. That one is wine though. What about other normal drinks and all that? And I called one of his friends. I was asking him, "Are you related to this guy?" He said, "No, that is a friend. That is a student. It's one of these big man politician in Nigeria." You know, but I forgot to ask the guys name, this. But you see, the guy told me that they spent 5,300 pounds last night. That a night before that, the 5,300 pounds. That's what they spent. Can you imagine?
I cannot imagine because it is happening now. What I want to imagine inside.
Hey, that's why somebody is here. Somebody is here trying to fight to lift up. The person he lifted up the barrier to hit on his head. Is it the problem of shortage of hair currency? Eh? These are the things they're supposed to stand there inside that bank. They will be putting head together, talking about how to free themselves from that shackles of bondage that are fighting each other. It is well, oh. It is well. God will judge something for this life. I'm telling you, hmm, me to fight against the other person because of shortage of notes. Is the person I'm fighting, is it the problem? Is it the problem? Afghanistan, I mean, Taliban was having, Taliban took over Afghanistan. The idiot in Asarok awarded the $1 million. He asked them, he says, for relief. Nigeria is supporting Afghani citizens for humanitarian relief. Humanitarian relief, you are giving them $1 million. What about the people in IDP camp in Benue, in many northern this state? Have you given them funding? Nothing. See how hypocritical these people can be. They said they like you, come and vote for them, come and vote for them. They will give you one only 2 cups of rice with indomie and all that. Come and vote, eat it, and die the next day. And you are agree, you accepted the money and go and vote them. You now vote yourself into poverty, into captivity, bondage. You go to bank, there's no note. You are fighting your own fellow citizen, your own fellow human being. Is it the problem?
Okay,
Now,
this is happening, whether you like it or not. Some people are crying, give us what new notes. Oh, we are crying. One Nigeria has never begun. Oh. He never begin. He never start. Yay! I don't post link. One listen. By the time this one Nigeria go start, you go see people as you dey program here now. People go dey call you for phone. Abeg o, I wan tell me how I go comot for one Nigeria. This is just the early morning dew. Na im dey drop. E never the sun never start. Rain never start. Cold never start. All we are saying, give us new note. Useless people. Useless people. Now I wan make we see the whole things where happen today, how it happened, where happened for since yesterday till now, how they happen about this new note issue. Make you watch. Then after this, we go see Joey Bokwe. After Joey Bokwe, we go see how they go north, go they share money, and when you go change your money, they go dash you they go dash you 200 naira extra on top. I be 2,000 extra. I no know again. We go find out from the video. And above all, thank God Maxwell come in. Now you go tell us wetin those terrorists dey talk, because you must understand their language. They have the naira new note. Terrorists have abundance new note. If you know how they get and contain me, maybe Joey Bokwe know. Mad people all over the place.
Àkáǹtì mi lò mọ́ ẹ close àkáǹtì mi lò bẹ́ẹ̀ dánwò mi padà mi lò mọ́ o mi lò mọ́ ọmọ mi lọ sí sùn lánàá wọn lọ lónìí wọn lọ. I'm not coming. Tí ẹ bá dáwọ́ mi padà nínú kúrò báńkì, má dẹ̀ fa ìkan nínú àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ yín níta ìlọ. I'm not going anywhere. I've gone there. I'm not going anywhere. You máa dáwọ́ mi bí. Ẹ dáwọ́ mi padà now. I'm not coming again. I'm not coming. I want my money now. I'm not coming. Tí ẹ bá dáwọ́ mi padà nínú kúrò báńkì.
See wetin Access Bank dey do. Access Bank for Depo. They load ATM finish. Then they load, they withdraw for themselves.
Now, do you see what is going on? Listen to him. Listen to the person where the narrator. The small one where they bring for Access Bank, the staff go withdraw the money, go take and they do business. Not be this, not for security. Listen again. Listen. Make the person narrator for you. Listen.
I'm not coming. Yeah, but that won't be gonna be no back.
See wetin Access Bank dey do. Access Bank for Depo. They load ATM finish. Then they load, they withdraw for themselves.
They lock the gate. They don't want any customer to enter. Then they go and withdraw all the money. So when customer enter, money no their machine again. They go sell them. If you want, but now in Nigeria, naira to naira, then they ask how much be naira. The new currency.
Wait, did they say naira?
Maybe 1,000 go be 1,000. Then they sell naira with naira now.
How?
They are selling naira with naira.
How it will be?
If you get old currency now, you want new currency. Maybe you want 10,000. You want 10,000 naira new currency. I go tell you, give me 13,000.
No be so. For zoo.
While customers full outside, they not agree open for customers. See customers, see the gates. Customers full, they not agree allow people load. Enter inside, go withdraw money. Then they inside, they withdraw for themselves. Staff, bank staff. If this country, and they wait to make the country better. See them, only bank staff, they withdraw all of them. The hands off, we withdraw like 100,000 for people for new currency, and customers full outside. Customers full outside, they lock them outside gates. See.
No problem.
Okay.
Fresh out.
You dey call yourself real bros.
AKA your money.
Meanwhile, all this thing happening here. Now for South, it they happen. You know they happen for North. South and North, now we get. You know they happen for North.
Are you serious?
You know they happen for naught. Okay, somebody enter here. Okay, Max. All this wahala where you see, none of them they happen for naught. Not even one single one or anything will resemble anyone that happen for naught. But for our place, they leave you. Yoruba land, the key. When you hear them, they tell you, Oduduwa nation. Una dey there, una say they be stupid people. You say something go on a useless person. You see, what Nigeria is happening to you without looking at your face. If you like the child to be, it is not looking at your faces.
This is embarrassing.
One Nigeria no get friend. Fulanese no get friend. They no get brother. Their only brother na cattle and the Fulani man. And you think you can please them. You can never please them. You can never please Fulanese. You cannot please them.
I don't think Fulani can be pleased, honestly. You can't please anybody trying to
Even
please
Joy
Fulani
Bokwete
just
cry.
has a car.
Make we see Joy Bokwete.
UBA, Ogunlana Drive. They say they have not received any money. They are not giving out. I thought they were lying until I came here to notice that nothing is going on, no transaction. What is going on? This is complete sabotage. Few days to the presidential elections and we are witnessing this. Who is doing this? Who is doing this? Was it not planned? If you know that you are going to collect almost how many? 1 trillion. You could have produced 1 point something trillion naira. New notes. You have all the time. What are we talking about?
Why not do it last one?
Few days to the presidential election, we're doing that. I see it as complete sabotage. And those in charge must, as a matter of urgency, do the needful.
Yeah.
I understand Jay's Bank is receiving money, is giving out money. Few branches they have across Nigeria. Where did Jay's Bank get all this money? Why are big banks like Zenith, UBA, and other big banks, they're just sitting down? What is happening? This is complete sabotage, and we cannot take it. I'm here to take money. They say there's no money. What is going to happen to ordinary people?
Shame on you.
If gold rust, what will iron do? UBA?
Igbo, shame on you.
First Bank? If gold rust, what will iron do?
Somebody say Joey Bogo make you call ask am nine cause am nine do am.
Igbo, if Igbo ask me, now who I go ask?
No, make you call ask me. Na me cause am. Na me be the
He
person.
no be commissioner.
You see, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu told them that all of them will be crying and nobody go tell them sorry. This is just nothing. This one never start. Nothing has ever started. This just in one beginning, it never begin though. Not just the beginning. It has never started. It is just trying to start. Not that it's about to start. It is trying. When it try finish, it go become it is about to start. Then he is opening mouth and crying. When
He no cry yet.
in North, they are encouraging people to come and change their money. When you change like 10,000, they dash you money on top. CBN
Two, 200 Ghana, 200 naira. They will dash you 200 naira.
If you change 10K, they dash you 200. You say you be one Nigeria. Why you not know the child to be again? Where you not mouth? Why would they know the child to be again? Do you notice that since 2-3 days now, this Obi noise has mellowed down? Una notice am?
They see the shout. Oh.
You see the chat?
They see the shout. And they see their programs, and they see their platforms all over.
The,
They shout.
the child. This is
But you
just
go open their eye go open soon.
very
You
soon.
go
Very,
shock
very soon.
them.
Very soon.
Mm. They think say Nigeria belongs to them.
Mm.
Photo.
Photo. They say they want take back their Nigeria. Their Nigeria, they want take back. Make I ask you, Max, as you dey here now, I fit come say, Max, I wan take back my farm. That your farm now, I go tell you say, I wan take back my farm. E dey possible? You no go look me
They-
like bad person.
no, it can't happen.
Ah, Nigeria has never been your own. All of a sudden, you say you want to take back your Nigeria. That mad people all over the place. Like what?
Nigeria that is designed to suit the caliphate north. Eh? We were there before. I was there before. We know what these people are up to. When Mazen Namdekane came out and began to speak, they call him miscreant. They call him an online president. But today is happening to them. Nigeria will happen to all of them. And something will cause them to retrace their steps. And probably if it is not done, if they don't do it, as fast as they could, they will be disgraced. And it will be too late for them. When they told you that Nigeria cannot work, Nigeria is on the brink, it is gone. Nigeria is gone. They
You
are
see,
there shouting, election, PVC, election, PVC. Which PVC? Which election? Tell me from 1950 something to today. Tell me any election that in Nigeria that was fair, free and fair. All of them were rigged. Even the one that brought Yaradua, led the Yaradua, he said it was rigged. And today I was watching a man of God that I used to follow. He said it is the highest bidder that is going to get, and the prophecy of Mazen Namdekano is about to fulfill. You are in the south, Igbo man. You kill your brothers and kill your sister to satisfy the caliphate north,
mm,
and you think that you will become the president. He said you will never be the president of Nigeria. Instead of you to become the president for killing your own people, rendering them helpless, dehumanizing them, let the Fulani man continue. When the rain is beating the master, the slave master, it will also be beating the slave. That
wham,
was the words of Mazen Namdekano. And you
wham.
people thought that he was playing. God was speaking through him. And that is what is going to happen. Look, if Atiku is not failed to become the president of Nigeria, the army will take over. And you will start from squad one. And tell me what will happen if the Kake boys come in. How many of you will go out there to go and stand, carry a chest to challenge the army? Remember what happened to Nadeko? These days, that is what they are going to do to you. Remember what happened to NSAS? They will unleash their trigger-happy security agents to destroy you. You must join hand now to end that contraption, that British franchise called Nigeria. You people are there dancing. Look at what is happening in the south. Southern Nigeria in general. In the north, they are paying them. They went there. The CBN and the rest of them went out there. Pay them their own money, even where they cannot even have access to. They went there and paid them. Remote areas, they pay them. You are in South. You are in Lagos. You are in Port Harcourt. You are in Enugu. You are shouting one Nigeria. You think Nigeria belongs to you. In the words of the pig in the creek, you think Nigeria belongs to you. The earlier you recognize that Nigeria doesn't belong to you, the better for you. Thank you.
There were. Um, Do you want to say anything before we move? Because now sure we did. By the time we finish these two more videos now, we will begin the talk.
No, go on. I'm fine.
Okay. So let us
Just
visit the northerners. But before we visit the northerners, I want make una see this our beautiful Wada. Today na her birthday. Oh. This
oh,
Wada blessing. Today na her birthday. So I beg
Oh,
make una help me tell am
happy
Wada
birthday.
blessing from Netherlands. Make una help me tell am happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
to you.
Birthday
Happy
to
birthday to
Uh,
you.
you
Happy birthday to Wanda.
happy
Happy birthday to you. Hip,
happy
hip, hip. Hey.
Hey.
birthday to you. Oh, handsome children.
Oh,
We
she's
wish,
beautiful. Oh.
we
A
wish
typical of a Biafran woman. Very beautiful. That is why they are eyeing us. Everywhere we go, they want us.
we wish you Biafra. Oh. We wish you Biafra. I beg you, Biafrans, make gonna shower and with a happy birthday. Mm. So
It is maybe in the comment section now you see they are firing there now. My
they don't
sister,
the
you are
fire.
very beautiful. Mm.
They don't the
God
fire.
bless you. God bless you and bless your family and bless whatever that you represent and
Mm.
bless the Biafra that you are fighting for.
You say, you say, you say. Uh, Daisy, she go leave all this her family, come they do all night. Freedom no day here. Oh. Freedom no day here. Oh, Max. Max he go there for his farm for
I
night.
there for my
He
I
go
there
come
for
here,
my
come they do
I,
freedom.
I there for my farm. Everywhere is light up. Light everywhere. You see my everywhere light. It there everywhere. Everywhere. For more than 3 to 4 years now, my light no go off.
Mm.
My cattle's there inside. See the big fence there now for my back. It be there where the cattle's there. Plenty of them. Right now, in fact, today self, about 16 of them just gave birth to young calves. So when we finish and I'm going inside to go and watch them. You see, so that is how it is. Nobody is killed in Ghana here in my improvised ranch. Not be even mother ranch, oh. It's an improvised ranch. But in
Wow.
Nigeria, they are killing you. They are bringing. That's the back there. That's the big fence over there. It's about four football field, four full, football fields inside there. That's the fence over there.
We can see, we are seeing them.
Mm.
We are seeing
People are killing you, coming to take over your land with the pretense of that they are pastoralist. You are there supporting them, validating the demonic country that wants you dead.
Yeah,
No be juju be that.
not juju now.
photo.
No be juju be that. People are killing you over here. You can bring your even dog self, any stray dog within the area that I'm staying here that is even village. The people will come and catch the dog, catch your goat, and you will go and pay fine. You must keep your cattle, your livestock in your house. If you can't keep them, don't keep them. If you can't put a place for them to stay, you cannot keep them. Keep them and allow them to roam the street. They will catch them and even slaughter them and use them to go and feed the students in the school. You people are in Nigeria. They are bringing cattle, roaming. The politicians cannot do anything. Foolish people. May God punish you for all your contributions. Whatever that you have contributed to kill the innocent Biafrans on their ancestral land, God will deal with all of you one by one. Stupid people. Come here and see how everything is well organized.
Ghana.
Irrespective of how poor we are. We are buying petrol here. We are oil producing nation. But there is no place you will go today that you will not see petrol to buy in the filling stations. But in Nigeria, you fifth or sixth largest producer of crude oil. You cannot even refine even 1 liter of petrol in your country. You have gas, you have LNG, you have natural gas. You cannot give your people gas to cook. And you tell me that I should come and support such a country? I will help to end it. I will help to end it. And I just hope that we will not go to war. I hope that we won't go to war. If it is inevitable, definitely, I will not be here and relaxing. I will leave my family here and come and defend my mother's ancestral land so that uncircumcised Janjaweed elements will not come and change the demography of my mother's ancestral land. To hell with all of you that are supporting one Nigeria. Shame on you. I just pray that the Duduwa nation and the Biafran people will join hands together to make this freedom a reality. Thank you, my people.
There were. Okay. We don't show you video what has been going on in Lagos, in Aba, in Bini, in Umuahia, in Abakaleke, in Calabar, in Uyo. That's in the whole South. You can't get money. Maybe some of you watched this video earlier today, but I still want you to look again because it's still there happen. By tomorrow, they are continue. This is exercises that they are carrying out in the north. It's not just something that happened for once. They continued. And the thing is that they will go to your community to beg you, come and change your currency in the north. Why people are breaking each other's head to get just one small note to eat for the day. Listen.
Dwellers in Kaduna are being sensitized on the redesigned Naira notes by officials of the Central Bank of Nigeria. As the Apex Bank moves to phase out the old Naira notes, those in the hinterland can now swap their old notes for the redesigned Naira notes.
A lot of the populace are staying in the rural area, and that you don't have many banks in the rural communities. So we felt that the best way for us for this new currency to reach the common man is to go down to the hinterlands, and do the currency swap.
Officials of the bank are encouraging the unbanked people in remote areas to open bank accounts and embrace e-banking.
In places where we discover that the unbanked people, we try to make sure that they open accounts with the commercial banks. That's why you can see that we have a team of some of the commercial banks with us.
Residents say swapping their old notes for the redesigned Naira notes within their neighborhood is convenient.
I feel joy as I change my own, I get the new Naira. As if I'm not spending it, I'll go and hide it. Yes. I don't want to spend it now because they say if you go spend this one, they will give you the old one, and I don't have account.
To me, it's kind of convenient because I don't get to use my transport. It's just at the neighborhood. You just go there, write down your name, and you get your money swapped. Yeah, I was able to swap 10K, and I got 200 Naira.
Biafrans ona hearam. She swapped 10,000 Naira and they add 200 for him. Listen again. Just listen.
As incentive. Encouragement to encourage them to come. This is Mark Mazugo.
Yeah.
Mark. Take note of the word there. Remote. What is remote? What is remote? In the local area, the interior part of Kaduna, that is where all these things are happening. And they have representatives from the CBN, Commercial Bank, and all the rest of them. They are there, encouraging them to come. But in the South, a woman is bare naked, a man poor, and people in the banking hall were laughing. They were laughing. These people in the north, Kaduna, remote areas, are enjoying themselves. Enjoying themselves, where you are laughing at your own people, while they struggle to withdraw, not even to change you, to withdraw, take their money from the banks. What kind of useless country is this? This is a typical of a zoological republic, like Mazen Nandokade put it. Go on, sir.
Okay, make we repeat am, make una hear am again. Biafrans, go repeat am.
This one, they will give you the old one. And I don't have account.
To me, it's kind of convenient because I don't get to use my transport. It's just at the neighborhood. You just go there.
You no even need to go, but for Lagos, so you have to go and look for, you go pay transport. Maybe if you want change 1,000, you go pay transport like 500 naira before you go get there. And you get there still, you go dey there from morning till night, you no go get am. Hear the girl, they make sure that you just comot for your house, you see the center, you go there. You change am. With abeg o, with the extra dashing money wey we go here. Listen to her.
Write down your name and you get your money swapped. Yeah, I was able to swap 10K and I got 200 naira. Yeah.
To promote financial inclusion, the cash swap
I believe everybody hear am. If you no understand the 200 naira wey dem dash am, you no know wetin e be, or you say na lie, you tell me, I go rewind am for you.
service is available for people without bank accounts. The CBN is encouraging rural dwellers to return their old notes before the February 10th deadline. Nisi Gabriel, Arise News, Kaduna.
If you want to join the discussion, people, Biafrans, if you want join the discussion, even if you do the while you want join the discussion, you are welcome. Chijoka Madaga says waiting it don't know for long. Okay, I go come show na terrorists. I say we go watch all the video, then we go begin to talk. Terrorists. Erasmus will come in the afternoon. You see this one in the verse. Erasmus, I wish you can come and see terrorists with the new note. Make I know what you. Erasmus will see this video finish. He say anybody will go tell him of one Nigeria again, he go kill the person self. Hi, abeg, if the video no show, now let me know, but I believe say e go show.
za mu tura sakon 'yan Najeriya shugabannin su talakawa su tsaya su yi adalci domin Allah da Allah. Idan ba haka nan ba duk abin da suke nufi duk wanda suke gani da wanda a cikin daji da wanda a cikin karkara dukansu duk nasu abin bai su tsara duk wannan kabilancin sun kasa to ba zai magana abin da a cikin Najeriya ba sai dai an tsaya ai domin Allah da Annabi shine zai tsaya magana abin da a cikin Najeriya. Kaga an dawo ne talaka ne wasu basu ji basu gani ba an ce za a canza kuɗi a yi to shi wani talaka ma bai sa abin da a canjin kuɗi wani ma a waye gari bai da 10,000 sai ya sa ya ta waye ya je ya nema sannan ya samu ya harkar gaba ne. to shi wanda adda miliyoyin kuɗi cikin gari an ce za a canza ai kaga haye waje kaga ta koma wannan kan tsakanin su ne to yanzu wani nan ma in ka bincika ka ji cikin dan Najeriya wani ma da a cikin daji kuɗin ma da suke nuhi suna canzawa ne to wani ma da a ciki ko wani ma kuɗin ma bai same su ba amma kaga kuɗin da ake nuhi yan ta'adda ne kaga kuɗin sun zo hannun su kaga wannan suna nuhin 1000 ce wannan suna nuhin 200 ce jikka guda ma'ana da wasu sun maida ta to sannu da suke gani wannan an gwada masa kaɗan ne daga ciki dangance da ɓangaren irin waɗannan ma yanzu to buhuhuwa waɗanda an gare mu Allah ɗaya san iyakarsu waɗannan ma da an gare su to sun dawo hannunmu ne wannan daga ciki ne yanzu kaga har mun sai makamai da su ne waɗanda za mu yaƙe su ne muna sauraron abin da za su ƙara faɗi yanzu ta kan ɓangaren haka nan ne mu abinmu da muke yi domin Allah da annabi muke yi ba mu yi don gwamnati ko don wani ne ko don ni muna yi ne domin Allah da annabi da talakawan da muke tare da su mu da su duk wanda ya zanna hudda ta tsakani da Allah rabe mu shine namu ne domin Allah da Allah duk wanda ya zalunci wani za mu tsaya mu yi magana ta domin Allah da Allah dangance da haka nan kawai in sun ce a zuwa sun karaba Najeriya to sai su kasa su sai su kara inda suke so wanda ba su so sai su rabi da su kawai Allah ya kula da abin su da ba bangaren Allah suke ba wanda suke bangaren su sai su sa to ya taya masa maganin da Allah bai da gwada ya luke wata tsakani da Allah da annabi muke yi domin Allah muke yi ba don wani muke yi ba don wani ya yabe mu ba ko don wani mi mu tsakanin mu da Allah da annabi muke yi kuma kuɗi da sun ka canza na Najeriya to alhamdulillah mun ji daɗi sun ƙara mu kan tsakanin mu da suwa abin da suke yi ba domin Allah suke yi ba don talaka ya ji daɗi ba don suna yi ra'ayin rayuwarsu ne to kaga wannan da suke yi to alhamdulillah mun ji daɗi dangane da wannan kuma Allah ya ƙara mana lafiya dukkan mu da mu da suwa alhamdulillah tarbi gana ta koma wannan kan tsakanin su ne
when Max don't come out. Okay, Biafras, since you no one come inside the studio, if you na call, make on a call. As you are welcome to the program.
Miles, good evening.
There, carry the microphone. Talk to us.
At least I'm watching the first class citizen. They already get their own money. Why you laugh? No be first class. You were people. I watch today where two heavy men they throw themselves punch just to get 500. First class citizen. You see them? Animal. First class citizen. You see them? They tell you they don't get their own money inside the bush. Who go give them the money there? Na me go give them. Na me go give them. Honestly, if it's advanced country like I'm calling from South Africa. When South Africa change their 200 rand note, you're gonna be using the old one and the new one. So once the old one get to the bank will seize it.
Not come out again.
This is how these things go. But let's tell ourselves truth. What I'm seeing is of a new note and note. These people, they want to, remember what happened to 1957? History is about to repeat. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. They want to seize our money. They want to seize the whole Nigerian money and use that money to buy weapons. Believe me, my brother. This is what is about to happen. Because you cannot tell me in a country, according to them, because I don't believe in Nigeria, according to them, they say their election is coming close. They say their election is this month. And you see people's house current. What this is telling you. We the Southerners, they position P2B. The useless people are busy chasing P2B. Why the Fulanis are busy planning another thing? And we are not seeing the handwriting. Look at this. Look at the first class citizen. Look at how they are busy. Although I don't hear their language, but according to for my own thinking, they are telling you that we are the first class citizen. We already get our own money. Why you people are there fighting each other? That's I don't hear the language, but for my own understanding.
Exactly. The same way I thought.
You guys are busy fighting. We inside the bush. Here is our own currency. Who give them that currency? That is the question there. Who give them that currency? So please, let's not deceive ourselves. Mostly, there's another guy I fight today. We are busy arguing. He's busy telling me, when P2B win, everything. I asked him, my man, if P2B, let's say mistake, because I don't believe it will never happen. Mistake, they dash P2B a presidency. Where will P2B start? Can P2B change this? Okay, this citizen, this first class citizen, like last time I see what Gumish says, they will never support any president who gonna attack their citizens. So where are they gonna start? So when I know some of our people, should I call it ignorant, or should I call it lack of knowledge, or I don't know what to say. When you are trying to tell them, hey, look, things are happening, but you know, I would say it's lack of education or lack of what. I can't say. Our people, our own mumu done too much. Our own mumu done too. Today I see two able man in a bank changing blow because of this, because of maybe 5,000 naira. Because in the south, when you go to the bank, you cannot get less than 10,000 naira. Why this one now? They already bring their own in thousands, in millions. My brothers, thank you guys for the good job you guys are doing. Please, you guys must try to educate our people, to tell our people the way forward, because these things our people are doing. For my own calculation, these people, they seize this money so that they're gonna use this money to go and buy weapon and fight us. Believe me, this is what is happening. This money they are seizing is to buy weapon and fight us. But our people are not seeing it. We are not seeing it. All right, thank you, my brother. I don't have much to say.
Okay, thank you. Max, you don't come now. You have been the wait. I believe you listened to this video.
No, I didn't listen to it.
Make you listen now. You go listen before you go tell us what in the talk.
It's not the first class.
Sorry.
za mu tura sakon 'yan Najeriya shugabannin su talakawa su tsaya su yi adalci domin Allah da Allah. Idan ba haka nan ba ko duk abin da suke nufi Allah ba zai duk wanda suke gani da wanda a cikin daji da wanda a cikin karkara dukansu dun nasu idan abin bai sun tsara gaske da yan uwansu. Duk wannan kabilancin sun kasa to ba zai magana abin da a cikin Najeriya ba, sai dai an tsaya ai domin Allah da Annabi shine zai tsaya magana abin da a cikin Najeriya. Kaga an dawo ne talaka ne wasu basu ji basu gani ba, an ce za a canza kuɗi a yi to shi wani talaka ma bai sa abin da a canjin kuɗi, wani ma a waye gari bai da 10,000 sai sa ya ta waye ya je ya nema sannan ya samu ya harkar gaba ne. To shi wanda adda miliyoyin kuɗi cikin gari an ce za a canza, ai kaga hayar waje kaga ta koma wannan kan tsakanin su ne. To yanzu wani nan ma in ka bincika ka ji cikin ɗan Najeriya wani ma da a cikin dajin kuɗin ma da suke nufi suna canzawa ne, to wani ma da a ciki ko wani ma kuɗin ma bai same su ba, amma kaga kuɗin da ake nufi yan ta'adda ne, kaga kuɗin sun zo hannunsu, kaga wannan suna nuhin 1,000 ce, wannan suna nuhin 200 ce, jikka guda ma'ana da wasu sun maida ta. To sannu da suke gani wannan an gwada masa kaɗan ne daga ciki. Dangance da ɓangaren irin waɗannan ma yanzu to buhuhuwa waɗanda an gare mu Allah ɗaya san iyakarsu, waɗannan ma da an gare su to sun dawo hannunmu ne, wannan daga ciki ne yanzu. Kaga har mun sai makamai da su ne waɗanda za mu yaƙe su ne. Muna sauraron abin da za su ƙara faɗi yanzu ta kan ɓangaren haka nan ne. Mu abinmu da muke yi domin Allah da Annabi muke yi, ba mu yi don gwamnati ko don wani ne ko don me. Muna yi ne domin Allah da Annabi da talakawan da muke tare da su. Mu da su duk wanda ya zanna hudda ta tsakani da Allah da mu shi ne namu ne domin Allah da Allah. Duk wanda ya zalunci wani za mu tsaya mu yi magana ta domin Allah da Annabi dangance da haka nan kawai. In sun ce a su sun karaba Najeriya to sai su kasa su sai su tsara inda suke so, inda ba su so sai su rabi da su, kawai Allah ya kula da abin su da ba bangaren Allah suke ba, wanda suke bangaren su sai su sa to ya taya masa maganin da Allah bai da gwada ya duka mu tsakani da Allah da Annabi muke yi domin Allah muke yi, ba don wani muke yi ba don wani ya yabe mu ba ko don wani mi mu tsakanin mu da Allah da Annabi muke yi. Kuma kuɗi da sun ka canza na Najeriya to alhamdulillah mun ji daɗi sun ƙara mana ilimi kan tsakaninmu da suwa kuma abin da suke yi ba domin Allah suke yi ba ba don talaka ya ji daɗi ba don suna yi ra'ayin rayuwarsu ne to kaga wannan da suke yi to alhamdulillah mun ji daɗi dangane da wannan kuma Allah ya ƙara mana lafiya dukkan mu da mu da suwa alhamdulillah.
Charbi Ghana.
Wow. Hey.
Max.
Biafra voice.
Eh?
This is serious.
Wetin you hear?
See.
If na thunder, wait make I go carry my tea come abeg.
See, what they are saying there is that they are thanking their own God. I don't know the God they are worshiping. No. They are thanking their own God. That some of you, that God has helped them. That God has helped them. Those of you that are in the town. Can I go on?
Yes.
Those of you that are in the town that are struggling to get the new money, look at them. Look at them. They are in the bush. And they are now standing with the Talakawa, that is the poor people in the bush. And already they have given them their own new money. But you are there. You are talking about new Nigeria. Taking Nigeria, inside Nigeria, that there are people that are even more recognized than some of you. In a nutshell, they are just praising their God, their Allah, that as even if they are in the bush, fighting with whatever that they are doing, that the government still remember them, and they have come to give them their new money. While you are there shouting, they are in the bush, daji, suna chicken daji, suna jin daddy. They are in the forest, they are enjoying. Kune mutane wanda suke yi zaba hakane. There is some of you that are talking like this, talking nonsense. Let me just say, it's nonsense. When an Hausa man tells you that you are talking haka, that is, you are talking nonsense.
You are talking banza.
Yeah,
I need to call Erasmus to come and hear this one.
See, my brother, the thing is that in a nutshell, they are not worried at all. They are in the bush with some of their supporters. They have received what you in the town has not received. That is the thing that they are talking about. That is the thing. How did this money get to these people in the bush?
Let me go give them now.
And I am not surprised. If Gumi would tell them that they are their warriors, then you should know from those warriors that are protecting them that are in the bush, you should know the plan of these people. You in the town, in Lagos, in Enugu, in Port Harcourt, you are struggling, nakeding yourself, fighting in the banking hall to get it. Those people in the bush are getting it. That is what is telling you there, that you are there. Sooner, the Talaka are staying with the this now.
Max, wetin happen? Your network. Okay. Erasmus here say they give them money for their houses with extra bonus. He dey cry, he dey vex. Make Erasmus come hear this one. Make he come hear this one. Make he come hear am. Where Max, you go make your network. Nothing go happen to them, eh?
Now they hear me?
Wait, Erasmus, just wait. Make Max wait. Make Erasmus don't come. I call him. Make he come see this one because
Okay.
if you see if you see wetin pass you, go call people, make dem follow you see. Make you follow listen. Before you go tell am wetin happen here, make you follow verse am. Make I put am.
Za mu tura sakon 'yan Najeriya shugabannin su talakawa su tsaya su yi adalci domin Allah da Annabi. Idan ba haka nan ba ko duk abin da suke nufi Allah ba zai tsaya. Duk wanda suke gani da wanda a cikin daji da wanda a cikin karkara dukan su dun nasu sai da abin bai sun tsara karshe da yan uwansu. Duk wannan kabilanci sun kasa to ba zai magana abin da a cikin Najeriya ba sai dai an tsaya ai domin Allah da Annabi shine zai tsaya magana abin da a cikin Najeriya. Kaga an dawo ne talaka ne wasu basu ji basu gani ba an ce za a canza kuɗi a yi to shi wani talaka ma bai sa abin da a canjin kuɗi wani ma a waye gari bai da 10,000 sai ya sa ya ta waye ya je ya nema sannan ya samu ya harkar gaba ne. To shi wanda adda miliyoyin kuɗi cikin gari an ce za a canza ai kaga haye wajje kaga ta koma wannan kan tsakanin su ne. To yanzu wani nan ma in ka bincika ka ji cikin ɗan Najeriya wani ma da a cikin daji kuɗin ma da suke nuhi suna canzawa ne to wani ma da a ciki ko wani ma kuɗin ma bai same su amma kaga kuɗin da ake nuhi yan ta'adda ne kaga kuɗin sun zo hannunsu kaga wannan suna nuhin 1,000 ce wannan suna nuhin 200 ce jikka guda ma'ana da wasu sun maida ta to sannu da suke gani wannan an gwada masa kaɗan ne daga ciki dangance da bangaren irin waɗannan ma yanzu to buhuhuwa waɗanda an gare mu Allah ɗaya san iyakarsu waɗannan ma da an gare su to sun dawo hannunmu ne wannan daga ciki ne yanzu kaga har mun sai makamai da su ne waɗanda za mu yaƙe su ne muna sauraron abin da za su ƙara faɗi yanzu ta kan ɓangaren haka nan ne mu abin mu da muke yi domin Allah da Annabi muke yi ba mu yi don gwamnati ko don wani ne ko don me muna yi ne domin Allah da Annabi da talakawan da muke tare da su mu da su duk wanda ya zanna hudda ta tsakani da Allah da Nabi mu shine namu ne domin Allah da Annabi duk wanda ya zalunci wani za mu tsaya mu yi magana ta domin Allah da Annabi dangance da haka nan kawai in sun ce abu da sun karaba Najeriya to sai su kasa su sai su kara inda suke so inda ba su so sai su rabi da su kawai Allah ya kula da abin su da ba bangaren Allah suke ba wanda suke bangaren su sai su sa to ya taya masa maganin da Allah bai da gwada ya lukke wata tsakanin da Allah da Annabi muke yi domin Allah muke yi ba don wani muke yi ba don wani ya yabe mu ba ko don wani mi mu tsakanin mu da Allah da Annabi muke yi kuma kuɗi da sun ka canza na Najeriya to alhamdulillahi mun ji daɗi sun ƙara mu kan tsakaninmu da suwa abin da suke yi ba domin Allah suke yi ba don talaka ya ji daɗi ba don suna yi ra'ayin rayuwarsu ne to kaga wannan da suke yi to alhamdulillahi mun ji daɗi dangane da wannan kuma Allah ya ƙara mana lafiya dukkan mu da mu da suwa alhamdulillahi. Charbi Ghana.
Okay, Max, if you Max,
Yes.
Max, oh yeah, explain them to Erasmus before you go verse. Explain them to them.
Is Brother Erasmus there? Is they listen?
Erasmus, are you there?
Yes, I'm listening.
What they are saying there is this, that they are doing their own thing and their God, Allah, their Nabi, that is when they are calling God and their Savior, Allah, their Nabi, is helping them. And most of you that are in the town, that you've not even given, they say they are going to change the currency. And they are changing the currency, but you people in the town, Mutani one, the Suku, that is you people. Suku one, the Yana are chicken geri. Suku, you people that are in the town, in the city, you cannot get it. And they are also getting it. That they are sitting down there with their poor people that are supporting them in the bush, that they don't have no government, they recognize no government. But Allah, the Anabi, is supporting them. So that is why they have gotten their own. And whatever that you people are going to do is left for you people. But for them, they don't care. Alhamdulillah, hallelujah, hallelujah. They are getting what they want. This is exactly what they are saying. See, in a nutshell, to just summarize what they said, they are telling you that they are more recognized than those of you that are under Nigeria, and they don't They don't. These people that are speaking, if you look at the other one, the voice that came in after the main guide was speaking is a young boy. That guy, the voice from his voice is not even up to 15 years. He says, Kakiali Su, don't mind them. Kakiali Su, don't mind them. They are just playing that we are enjoying in the bush. That's exactly what they're telling you. So you are not recognized. While you are struggling to change your money, they are finding it easier in the forest. Despite that they are in the forest, they are finding it easier. And they thank their God and Anabi. You know, say they call Christ Anabi. So when they see the Allah, the Anabi, for God and the Son of God, that they are enjoying. That is the only thing that they are telling me.
So when they see the Allah, the Anabi, for God and the Son,
yes, yes.
Yeah, I think the best option in this kind of this thing is autopilot IPB media to do a transcript of this, right? Like put the this thing on it, the mini, and let the video go viral. We already know, it's not as if they are telling us that they own Nigeria. We know that we are not even citizens of Nigeria. They are the owner of Nigeria. We already understand that. And that's one of the reasons why we want to leave, so that they can claim their country, which is theirs. And their country that they are going to claim is going to be the core northern Nigeria. And probably they will add Niger Republic to it. We see a lot of people. It was not just Fidelity Bank. We saw people fighting in Fidelity. I saw a man almost completely naked in the Access Bank. I saw another one he removed his shirt and climbed the table in another bank in the southern Nigeria while they are looking for money. Why the terrorists
and the woman too
going naked also.
Oh, I have not even seen that one. So a lot of videos going on. So we know what is happening. This is called economic jihad. This is called economic jihad. And if you have noticed again, do you notice fire everywhere in southern Nigeria? They are burning markets. Today again, Balogun market is burning again.
Yes, today again, Balogun market.
Again. So it's all this is happening. It's happening. It's not something that is just happened on its own. No. People are intentionally doing it. So it's intentional, we know. So it's not they didn't just go out. The money, who was the one that sent the new money to them? It is them. We know what is going on. And that we are not dragging Nigeria with them. I think that's one thing that they should understand. We are not dragging Nigeria with them. They are the owner of Nigeria. They should take their
Exactly.
They should take their country, take their Nigeria while we claim our sovereignty. All these things that is happening further buttresses and emphasizes the need for us to exit this country as soon as possible, before they will completely just say one day turn us to complete slaves. That's all I can say. Thank you.
All right. Our guest was right. We said that this is what we believe that they will be talking about, and as Marx would have it, now so it be. Okay, Biafra battle cry. I don't know what you want to talk.
You see, like our people used to say, what I say in this kind of presentation by this jihadists is that, let it be made known to people that, the people in the zoo, that whatever they are struggling to get, in the twinkling of eye, a Fulani person can get it. So, forcing themselves to be with these people, with this kind of calibers, is just someone signing a death warrant. Why did a particular set of people just being, what will I say, so radical and new? I don't know how to qualify them. These people that are just vampires. They came out on this world to make other people's life miserable. They don't live to, to mingle with somebody. They live to conquer somebody. Their life is all about conquest. They are saying it and be bragging it now. Now, the people who say they are intellectuals, they cannot speak anything. But once you see an IPOB or anybody that looks like ESN carry on now, it will be on the news line. They will just drag it immediately on the news line, proscribe IPOB or this, that. You see, I don't know where we are going to, but it doesn't matter how reality comes to these people's eye or to their mentor, our people, I'm saying, they will never say something. They will never learn. All of them now are busy chanting obedience. They can't see this and talk about it. If it is a little broadcast now, our spokesperson, Mazi Simon, I said, sit at home. For the purpose of your well-being, people like some Nollywood obedience will be tweeting, attacking Simon for no reason, saying all manner of something. But ndị nke a bụ omeriwe jenga ife ọbụla family dị mma. This is appalling. I can't just understand the thing that is hard, that is scarce, that cannot be found anywhere. People are fighting in the bank, trying to kill themselves. Is what this person, this Moru or this kangaroo was there just displaying, using it to boast, saying all manner of things. There was a comment somebody make that if you want to be a Fulani friend, shout one Nigeria, you'll be his friend. But if you, yes, if you shout one Nigeria, you will be his friend. So they want you to be one so that they can, conquer you and swallow you. That's what Fulani means. So I don't know. You see, I'm just short of word. I don't know how to describe this kind of vampires.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ndewo. Eze nwa.
Maazị.
Yeah, quickly, you don't talk before. You go around again. Just summarize what you talk before, because exactly what you talk happen.
Yeah, that is my own thinking. In Asaba, like what I see today in Asaba. If you want to change, if like those guys in POS, those things they call POS, if you want to change money,
yeah,
if you want to withdraw 10,000 naira, you have to pay them 12,000 naira. Are you aware? That's what is happening in Asaba.
Okay, while in the north, if you want to change 10,000, they will dash you extra 200 naira.
Yeah, the video you play, that is what the girl said. The girl said that she changed 10,000, they give her extra 200. And did not even enter sport. She just sit at home. Those people, they come to his domot and she change it and give her extra 200. Why in Asaba, in South, if you want to change 10,000 naira, you have to pay 12,000. And it's a one Nigeria. And the worst part of it is that when you are telling our people, that is where it baffles me. When you are telling our people what is going on, some of them, that what they're gonna tell you, go and sit down, is because of you don't have a house in Abuja, you don't have a house in Lagos, and they're dying. Okay, look at now, you got millions, you got trillions, you can't withdraw anymore. Okay, for instance, yesterday, I sent the money to my family. Believe me, up to now, they haven't get sent. And the money, they already receive a lot. That they already get the money. Up to now, they haven't withdrawn the money. Is it a life? For instance, now let's say somebody is unconscious, they need money to treat somebody. Where are you gonna get money to treat the person? Because Nigerian hospital, without money, doctor or nurse will not attend you. But in the north, somebody who is the terrorist, who is in the the first citizen, first class citizen who is in the forest already get their own. White men, able men today, busy throwing punch, killing each other inside the bank where they are looking for 500 naira, 5,000 naira. My brother Ish, this Nigeria of a thing. We must end it this month. Because this year, we must end it this month. Whether they like it or not, we must end it this month. Not going back. Whatever you're going to take, somebody like me, I'm out. Because enough is enough. We can't continue like this. This is not a life. I can't live with an animal. People who doesn't value life. People who sleep with a cow. How can I live with people like this? Look at a human being. Like there is a voice that those are first class citizens. There is a voice I hear that there's a small boy which maybe that, but the voice of that boy maybe plus or minus 15 years who's supposed to be in the school already. He know how to operate AK-47, and you say he's a country. He says he's a country, and when you're telling our people, the most stupid people on earth are our people. Believe me, my brother. Is most of us outside are the one knowing what is going on. Those ones, especially those ones there in Nigeria, when you are trying to tell them, hey, like honestly, there is a time, someone ever announced this, change in dollar. If I'm not, I called my people because I like to follow instructions. I called my people. Change your money in dollar. If you don't have access to buy dollar, buy food and keep at home. Because what is coming now is already started. And remember, our leader, Mazen Kanu, prophesied this thing. Is it 2021, if I don't mistake? He says time shall come, you can't get access of your money. Now it's happening. But when they are trying to tell our people, they say that they know more, they know better. Look at now. This is economic jihadist. According to one of my brother who speak here. He's
please, let's be brief so that others can participate as well. Please.
All right.
We can always come around. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Make don't mind me. I just enter house now. I want eat, but I go to listen. Hungry they catch me.
We are new day here. Nothing that happen.
Hello.
Raf, what you will do for me, just if you want me to send you the video, I will send you. You just listen very well again, translate it, record the audio for me so that I will use it to make up the video, please. Max, you get what I say, Max? Max, yes. You understand what I talk?
No.
I say I go whether you need me to send you the video so you go fit interpret them well for me, record them for audio, give me.
Okay. Send it. I will do that. If not this evening, I will do it early morning.
It must not be now. Tomorrow, anytime. Take your time.
Okay, sir. I will do that. Yeah.
Thank you, my brother. Okay, Biafra, my project. I talk. They make noise here too much.
Good day. Hello?
We are hearing you. Go
on. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is my first time of calling into your program. I want to commend you for the great effort you guys are making towards the restoration of Biafra. And I called in because of that particular with this terrorist video, which Matt is trying to explain. But Matt is trying his best. But I don't much understand what that guys are saying. Play that video bit by bit. I will explain everything they said bit by bit. Don't rush it. If you like, I speak it in English.
Is it different from what you are going to give us? Is it different from what Mas has given us?
Yeah, exactly. Because those terrorist guys say that this new currency, they are just showing you sample. This is just a small part they are showing you. That they have already buy their weapons with this new currency. That they are just showing you small sample of it. and they go ahead telling you that the government want to change this currency, but the poor people don't understand the government or the plan. That this plan of changing the currency is not a fit of the poor people. That they thank God the currency is in their hand now. I'm just trying to explain it short.
Yeah, the same way you are summarizing it is the same way Max summarized it. That was why I told him.
Yeah, Max, it's not that I'm trying to cut Max off, but they tell you a lot of things. They're telling you that they have already buy their weapons with this new currency.
Yeah.
And the government, they even try to explain the plans of the government, that the government said they want to change the new currency, but the poor masses don't understand what the government is doing. That the government didn't mean well for the poor masses. They are the one benefiting from the government plan.
I want to talk to my brother. If you listen to that video very well, there is no place where they said sun riga sun doki kududin da sun siya kayan yaki.
Ba haka bane ya ce, kaji ya ce, shi gwamnati ya ce, can you play that video? Can you play it bit by bit? I will interpret it for you. Even stand by.
I don't want us to. You say what?
I said let Mass stand so that Mass we understand clearly what they are meaning. Because for me, Hausa, you cannot hide anything up in the north. All this crisis, nothing you can tell me about, even this Boko Haram issue. I know.
Max, I will advise you to eat your food. Relax. You are just coming back. Relax and eat your food. I will still send you the video so you will give me every detail. And the man say, I would like you also to give me every detail of the video because we want to get the full every bit, every way in talk, every way in talk. We want get all of them so that people go understand it. So I am playing the video.
Can you play it now so that I give you immediately? No wasting of time. Can you play it now, just bit by bit? I will explain for you.
I will. I am playing it now. Listen.
Okay.
za mu tura sakon 'yan Najeriya shugabannin su talakawa su tsaya su yi adalci domin Allah da idan ba haka nan ba
the voice is scrambling.
Duk wanda suke gani da wanda a cikin daji da wanda a cikin karkara dukan su dun nasu
the voice is not coming out clear.
Duk wannan kabilanci sun kasa ba zai magana abin da a cikin Najeriya ba sai dai an tsaya ai domin Allah da Annabi shine zai tsaya maganin abin da a cikin Najeriya. Kaga an dawo ne talaka ne wasu su ji ba su gani ba an ce za a canza kuɗi a yi to shi wani talaka ma bai sa abin da a canjin kuɗi wani ma
I'm not getting the clear. Can you start
Relax. You are the one that is making noise. When the thing begin, mute yourself because your speaker is making noise. But normally, listen. Normally, they are in the desert. So
there is air.
Yeah, I can. I can hear but the voice is scrambling. The problem. Yeah, I had initially played. It was clear.
But my brother, see, my brother. If you cannot hear muke when the suna chicken daji the kankara. So and the thing is rumbling, right? If you cannot hear what they say, mune when the suka chicken daji the kankara. You can explain
what is munde muke? We that are in the bush with eyes, so that doesn't make any sense. Kankara is eyes. So he said that they are the young which are the criminals.
Everybody calm down. Max, I said you should do what you are doing. Eat your food, get yourself. We are here with you. And let me play the video again, but I want you to calm down and listen to video. Biafra, my project. Calm down. At the
Okay.
initial beginning, the video was not clear until it get to a certain point. So I'm going to start the video again, and try and mute your
Okay.
phone because your speaker is making noise.
wanda suke gani da wanda a cikin daji da wanda a cikin karkara dukansu don nasu abin bai sun tsara gaske da yan uwansu duk wannan kabilanci sun kasa to ba zai magana abin da a cikin Najeriya ba sai dai an tsaya ai domin Allah da Annabi shine zai tsaya magana abin da a cikin Najeriya kaga an dawo ne talaka ne wasu basu ji basu gani ba an ce za a canza kuɗi a yi to shi wani talaka ma bai sa abin da a canjin kuɗi wani ma a waye gari bai da 10,000 sai ya sa ya ta waye ya je ya nema sannan ya samu ya harkar gaba ne to shi wanda adda miliyoyin kuɗi cikin gari an ce za a canza ai kaga hayar wajje kaga ta koma wannan kan tsakanin su ne to yanzu wani nan ma in ka bincika ka ji cikin dan Najeriya wani ma da a cikin daji kuɗin ma da suke nuhi suna canzawa ne to wani ma da a ciki ko wani ma kuɗin ma bai same su ba amma kaga kuɗin da ake nuhi yan ta'adda ne kaga kuɗin sun zo hannunsu kaga wannan suna nuhin 1,000 ce wannan suna nuhin 200 ce jikka guda ma'ana da wasu sun maida ta to sannu da suke gani wannan an gwada masa kaɗan ne daga ciki dangance da ɓangaren irin waɗannan ma yanzu to buhuhuwa waɗanda an gare mu Allah ɗaya san iyakarsu waɗannan ma da an gare su to sun dawo hannunmu ne wannan daga ciki ne yanzu kaga har mun sai makamai da su ne waɗanda za mu yaƙe su ne muna sauraron abin da za su ƙara faɗi yanzu ta kan ɓangaren haka nan ne mu abinmu da muke yi domin Allah da Annabi muke yi ba mu yi don gwamnati ko don wani ne ko don mi muna yi ne domin Allah da Annabi da talakawan da muke tare da su mu da su duk wanda ya zanna hudda ta tsakani da Allah rabe mu shine namu ne domin Allah da Allah duk wanda ya zalunci wani za mu tsaya mu yi magana ta domin Allah da Allah dangance da haka nan kawai in sun ce a zuwa sun karaba Najeriya to sai su kasa su sai su kara inda suke so wanda ba su so sai su rabi da su kawai Allah ya kula da abin su da ba bangaren Allah suke ba wanda suke bangaren su sai su sa to ya taya masa maganin da Allah bai da gwada ya luke wata tsakani da Allah da Annabi muke yi domin Allah muke yi ba don wani muke yi ba don wani ya yabe mu ba ko don wani mi mu tsakanin mu da Allah da Annabi muke yi kuma kuɗi da sun ka canza na Najeriya to alhamdulillah mun ji daɗi sun ƙara mu ilimi kan tsakanin mu da suwa abin da suke yi ba domin Allah suke yi ba don talaka ya ji daɗi ba don suna yi ra'ayin rayuwarsu ne to kaga wannan da suke yi to alhamdulillah mun ji daɗi dangane da wannan kuma Allah ya ƙara mana lafiya dukkan mu da mu da suwa alhamdulillah
Charbi Ghana.
Okay. So
okay. Go on.
What can you hear me?
Yes, we can. We are listening to you.
Okay. What he's trying to tell you is that that the changing of this currency is like adding knowledge to them. That they are doing what they are doing is not of the government or because of anybody. That they are just on their own. That this government try to change this money. There are people with millions which cannot change back, you have back their full money. But for them, the money is already with them, the new currency. That they have already buy their weapons with this currency. And for them, they don't think of any doing bad to the or talking bad about the government, but they are just trying to let even the poor people, common man in the street, to know what it is. When the government told you that they are going to change it, he didn't understand. He didn't understand the government plan. But for now, they are not even struggling to have the money. But the common man in the street cannot, because the plan of the government is not for the common man to survive. Go and ask any other person.
Is that all?
Yeah, that is all.
Okay, but there is no different from
Can I
what
help
man
you?
now.
Yeah,
Can I help you? You say if you say
yeah,
they
yeah.
said they are not against the government, they say Bamu the government, Bamu the Danwa, Bamu the Koa. What does it mean? We don't have
That is
government. We don't have no helper. We don't have nobody. But
not,
the
Matt, you
kudi, the
don't,
money,
Matt, look at, Matt, kakasa kunye da kyau ka ji abin da suke faɗawa. Sun ce, ba ma yi saboda gwamnati. Ba wai ba mu da, ba ma yi saboda gwamnati.
they don't know.
Kunye da kyau ka ji abin da suna. Ba ma yi, which
Say,
means they are not doing because of the government.
Sun ce mu muna wanda suka a cikin daji din ne ba mu da gwamnati, ba mu da danwa. If somebody is telling you I don't have no government, I don't have nobody, I don't have no helper, ama
no, what they say is ba ma yi government, ba ma yi saboda kowa. They are not doing because of the government. The interpretation of the Bama is over the.
Okay, wait. Let me ask one question.
You see, when somebody tells you say they don't, you see, when somebody tells you say Bameyi, that if you listen to when they were stoning Buhari, they say Bameyi.
No. When they are stoning Buhari, they say Bamayi. We are not doing. Bamayi.
Wait. We know. Here now, they told you if my brother
relax.
See, if my brother will replay the video, when you get to that place, he said, "Bamu, we don't know anything. Bamu, the government, we don't get no government. You have government that is in the town." But you cannot get the currency. That's the meaning.
Max, wait. My brother Biafra project, wait. I will play the video for the last time. But I don't want it to turn into wait.
Mazi 247. Play the video half. Then you allow us to interpret it. Then you play the remaining half.
Calm down. Relax. I don't want this to turn to argument because what you said now is just a bit, it's just a kind of a choice of language, a choice of sentence. But in the end, you and the Max, you are saying the same thing. Who gave them the money? How did they get the money?
And my brother should understand that there is what they call, my brother should understand as well that there is what they call Hausa Bokwe and Banga Bokwe.
Wait, everybody calm down. Let me play the video again. I beg, make una wait.
Za mu tura sakon 'yan Najeriya shugabannin talakawa su za su yi adalci domin Allah da annabi. Idan ba haka nan ba duk abin da suke nufi Allah ba zai tabbata. Wanda suke gani da wanda a cikin daji da wanda a cikin karkara dukansu dun nasu abin ba su taron gaske da yan uwansu. Duk wannan kabilancin sun kasa to ba zai magana abin da a cikin Najeriya ba sai dai an tsaya ai domin Allah da annabi shine zai tsaya magana abin da a cikin Najeriya. Kaga an dawo ne.
Stop here.
An ce za a canza kuɗi ayi.
Wait, let me play it again. Just wait.
Sai dai an tsaya ai domin Allah da annabi shine zai tsaya magana abin da a cikin Najeriya. Kaga an dawo ne talaka ne wasu basu ji basu gani ba. An ce za a canza kuɗi ayi. To shi wani talaka ma bai sa abin da a cikin kuɗi wani ma a waye gari bai da 10,000 sai ya sa ya ta waye ya je ya nema sannan ya samu ya harka gaba ne. To shi wanda adda miliyoyin kuɗi cikin gari an ce za a canza kaga haye wajen kaga ta koma wannan kan tsakanin su ne. To yanzu wani nan ma in ka bincika ka ji cikin ɗan Najeriya wani ma da a cikin daji kuɗin ma da suke nufi suna canzawa ne. To wani ma da a ciki ko wani ma kuɗin ma bai same su ba amma kaga kuɗin da ake nufi yan ta'adda ne kaga kuɗin sun zo hannunsu kaga wannan suna nuhin 1,000 ce wannan suna nuhin 200 ce jikka guda ma'ana da wasu sun maida ta to sannu da suke.
So far, are we in accord? Because the thing is starting hanging.
Yeah. Mark.
Yeah, go on and say what you want to say.
I'm here, bro.
Here when he said that from the beginning of the video, he to explain that the problem of Nigeria is not going to be solved by a common man. That they have to God for God to intervene in the Nigerian problem. Going ahead, he started telling you that about the new currency. He's telling you that some people have this OT in millions, the people in the city. But now, they cannot even see the new currency to change. For them in the bush,
how did he say
they have it already.
You know, how did he say 80 million, my brother? How did he say 80 million? Because I did not hear million. I did not hear. If you want to hear, I was someone speak a million. A million is different. You just tell me because I did not hear million.
Okay, let's forget. Let's forget. I heard you speak Hausa. We call against.
No, you see, let's
forget this. Let it not come to argument.
No, we are not arguing. You and I. You see, my brother. Listen.
Two of you wait.
Brother, I want to say something. Make I just say something. You see, you and I, we are talking the same thing. Bottom line, I said I summarize it in summary of what they said there is that they are in the bush. In fact, when an Hausa man wants to in Hausanchi, Hausa Bokwe, they want to tell you, explain things to you. You say, Kune want to cook a chicken geri, ba kude goma. If goma is 10, but that is not what he means. You say you don't get anything. That is the meaning of that. Back with the goma, you don't have anything. The man is speaking in riddles now. He say, "Kuna one the suka chicken gerine back with the goma." You don't have nothing. It's in riddles. You see, that is how they say it.
For them, in the already have it. They already have it.
They already have it, and
already by their
weapon. Don't have it. He said because they don't have government.
But do you hear when he said that they have already buy their weapon? Do you hear it?
That is where that is
and
where
he's telling you that they are just showing you small sample of the money that they have it down. That is what he's telling you.
Bro, tell me, which portion can you recite it in Hausa where he said they bought weapons?
Huh?
Can you recite it in
Repeat
Hausa
your question again.
where they say they bought weapons?
What is Makami? What is Makami? Gachina Monte Makami. What is Makami?
You see, Makami
what do you think
is not.
What do you mean by Makami?
Makami, you see, Kaya. When they tell you say Kaya Yaji, Kaya Yaki.
Matt.
Kaya Yaki.
In the north. No, Kaya Yaki is just like you are making a sentence. Wait, Matt. I grew up in the north. You don't. Kaya Yaki is like you are making a sentence. But when you say Makami in Hausa, it's weapons.
Enough, everybody. I muted two of you. I beg. It's okay. We are not here arguing of language. Two of you are saying the same thing. I don't know why you are just trying to misunderstand each other now. At the end, government they carry money go change for them. Why the common man? So I beg, make gonna know they argue again. You don't do. We don't want argument. We want to focus. So allow other even the people that entered that wanted to contribute, they have all gone out. So let us concentrate. I beg, make something wey no be anything no come begin dey make us dey misunderstand. So now, if you want to call in, you can call, and if you want to come into the studio, you can still come into the studio. Anyone you choose to do, all depend on you. I put the number there now so that anybody that want to come inside the studio can come, and the who want to call can call. So at the bottom line is that the Nigerian government is denying you, as each citizen, you gree say you be each citizen one Nigeria, you no fit exchange your money, you no fit go bank go collect money, you no fit go back go deposit your old note, you no fit buy food to eat for your house. But terrorists get the money, but CBN dey go north go give people money house by house. I don't know if una go that one na for English, at least we understand that one, e dey plain. But this Boko Haram own, terrorist own, at the end, anybody wey wan talk am, e go talk am finish, e say they get the money, no matter wetin happen, they dey inside bush, but they don't get the money. So we are on the same boat, people. Okay, Uche came back. Uche came back, and Ize they came back. So Uche, I don't know if you quickly want to say anything.
Yes, so there, Martin. There, I greet everybody. I greet France. Contribute in what is going on is, I just want us to think a little bit. Let's think around what is happening. Whoever is, let's just think around what is happening. Could you imagine that these people decided to hold that our people are supposed to use to sustain themselves? Okay, they now hold this money to make serve our, okay, but another thing they did again on top of this thing, especially those of our brothers are starting a BDM. Let's assume that Obi, that you are close to be the president, is going to be elected in this 25th of February coming up. Now, they have seized the money, the resources that you will use to pursue that election and then make Obi to win. And yet, our people are not seeing this. These people you are clamoring for to come and become their president, they don't even like you, don't want you. Account and blocking the money, holding the money of our people in their back is no. A clarity to whoever is a politician and whoever is in Nigeria that the Fulani is in charge do not like you and they don't want you. I don't know how else our people should want to know this. Imagine this was said to be shared, okay? On check, they asked everybody to return all the money. Do you know that even in the northern area, where they have started even to print the fake money, the real money is there and the fake money is there. They have gotten abundance of the new money, the new notes. And while our people in the east and in the south have gotten any, they are even struggling to eat. My people, I bet make we shine our eyes. We shine our eyes. Oh, this was too much. What else do you want the Nigerian government to do for you, to do to you, before you give up and say, I want to have Oduduwa nation. I want to have Biafra nation. I want to have a Middle Belt nation. Enough. What else do you want to do for you? What else do you want them to do to you before you will stop? Nigeria never happened to everybody this time. Nigeria has happened in the south and in the east. It has happened. How can you hold the people, the population's money in the bank and refuse giving them back? So now, even if somebody is going to get your money, send back the old currency to get a new currency, you will have to pay. They will still zap you or take benefit from you to change your. Oh gosh, this is not happening outside the country. It's not happening anywhere else in the world. Why is ours going on? When will our people wake up? When will our people wake up? Even the government, even the obedient people running up and down. Are you guys not seeing that this is a weapon? From these Fulanis and all these Kabas, it's a weapon. They have just started out a weapon to destroy everybody. And tomorrow you sit down there and keep shouting, obedience, let's make go and vote for Obi. I pray God to help us.
Thank you. Let's
God will take help us. I will take our
Mazi, talk to me here. Mazi, talk to me here.
I know, just a moment. Somebody has been waiting here for long on the call. Mazi on the phone. Can you just go on now?
Okay. How help pilot?
What did they no big pass?
You see, my brother, Biafra, let me tell you, I'm working in the about this bank issue now. Like some tweeted, what happened after the war? They wanted to do now, but now look at Fulani know that all the Southerners, everybody that lives in diaspora is Southerner. It is very hard to go to any Southern back home. You will see of their family living in abroad. Now, I send money to my sister. He never take that money. Any money that will to our people back home now, they will receive that money. They will never get that money back. You see what all these things that they are doing in the bank now is to kill our people. They know that we that are living in diaspora will be helping our people back home. Now they go through bank, no matter how much to your family now, they will never get that money. So my people, let me tell you, I'm not blaming Fulani. Let me tell you people, I'm not blaming Fulani. I'm blaming our youth. Listen, until one bank or two, other bank will learn. Because we have been lamenting here. Every time we are lamenting, what are the youth doing? Burn down one bank or two banks in that school. Others will learn lesson. How can they see people's money? And we are here lamenting. I'm not blaming Fulani because Fulani focus on what he, okay? They are focused on what they are doing. Behaving like a distance. How can you put money in the bank? They seize their money. And they're looking at them. Until we burn down one or two banks, understand me, others will learn. That money will come out very soon. People in the bush have money. You that have money in your bank, they cannot get it. And we are opening our teeth and lamenting like a fool. Bring them the bank down. If you can burn all of them down, let everybody suffer it once and for all. And you are lamenting like food every time you go, they will give you your money, your hand correct, your sweat, they will not give it to you.
They will
if you people like back home, keep complaining. We cannot money any longer. Because any money that we are sending to you back home is wet. So stop expecting us to be sending you money now. Because any money that we are sending you, you can never get the money. That is what I wanted to contribute, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you so much. EZ. You hear me? Can you hear me? Your network is. Relax. When some people were here before you, so just
Okay,
calm down. Cool temper, cool temper. So EZ, your network is bad. We share you have talked to me. Okay, talk to me. Go on.
Mark, I greet you. I
There
greet
we go.
everybody. I can let me never. Mazi, all is I would say is economic jihad that bring marginalization or marginalization. And when one of our brother he said he explained everything about this currency something. The boys know bidrombebo. Na ekechara the currency. Mazi na name
Will they hear you?
okay. The boys they share the currency. Now we try the new naira. Everybody man this new naira. Then na not in area. Otem no na ebrim na not. Na ji Hausa so say ebrim na not. So what tell them now watch. So this new naira note now, these people they want to use it to hunt us. They want to use this thing to hunt us. And when I want photo from when mother got a call you maybe 100,000 by they pay the person in five naira. Five naira. If you go her just to I believe that person who from our side, the person is from Biafra. That is why they are doing it. So, and I follow our leader. Well. And when I'm boss that one day you look for your money, not you look for your money, not see. And some people they are posting it, and I'm seeing it. So, Mazi, if we want to help our people back home, these people will hunt us with this naira note. But it depends. It depends. I don't want to talk too much, but this is my first time calling your program, Mazi. If you go on Facebook, that this brother I work with Joshua Lafia. We used to attack these Zama people whenever they come on Facebook. I hear your program and I meant in a big. I for the Zama people. If I see Zama people for comment, my own comment they will know is me. So everybody here, I greet everybody. Please talk to me. I will join you, Maz, anytime you are live.
You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. There we go. Okay. Okay. Who no talk? Who never talk here? Max, you want to say something? Okay, go on.
You see, I am not in conflict with my Biafran Namoche. If I used any words that you don't like, my brother, please forgive me. You know, we are saying the same thing. And when you look at the situation in context, when you put it in context, you will know that it is because of the change of this currency. And the people you think that are not benefiting from the currency change is what we are talking about. That is the context in which, whether they buy weapons or even with the old currency, they were buying weapons. With this new currency, they will still buy weapons. But bottom line is this: these people are telling you that they are far away in this town. You that is in the town, you cannot even change 10, Goma 10. You can't change 10. But they in the forest with their talakawas, with the poor people that are with them, they have access to the new money, whereas you have no access to the new money. That is the context in which these people are telling. They are telling you, they are directly, this one I'm not putting it in direct, they are directly telling you that they own the country and they run it. Anything they want is what they will get. And if you want to make reference to what Sheikh Husani said, that other people are treated with insecticide, whereas the rest, are treated with deodorant. That is exactly what has happened here now. Those boys, Gumi called their warriors, are in the bush. It is impossible if you live in the bush for someone to go and give you new money over there. How did the new money get to them in the forest? This is the question we should be asking ourselves. But you in the town, you cannot get it, irrespective of how you struggle. So my point is this: anybody, any old southern Nigerian, I'm not referring to Biafrans now, any old southern Nigerian that will see all these evidences, this video, especially this particular one, and still insist that Nigeria will work, you are cursed. You are cursed today, you are cursed tomorrow, and you are cursed forever. These are the people that wants you dead. These are the people that believe that they own the country and they run it. And they are showing you koro koro. When are you going to learn? Do you want another Mazen Namde Kanu to begin to gospel to you, preach to you that Nigeria does not belong to you, that Nigeria can never work, that Nigeria is not one? When are you going to learn your lesson? Why can't you fight and join the rest of us that have seen the light, that were under that same one Nigeria before, and fight for the freedom of yourself in person, your people, and your generation unborn? Why can't you do that? If after listening to all these videos, and you still, whether you are a politician, whether you are an elder statesman, whether you are a traditional leader, whether you are a religious leader, otherwise, AETC, and you still insist that Nigeria will work, you are cursed. Nigeria will not work. Nigeria is going to fail. And Nigeria has failed already. As long as they hold the man of God in their custody, Nigeria is doomed. These are just little by little. Yeah, wallahi talai, Nigeria ya riga ya kasa. Ya riga ya zo kasa, ya kasa. Babu, there is nothing again. Wallahi, there is nothing again that you are going to do to save or redeem that country, because it is gone, because they are holding the man of God, the man of freedom, the man who the black race is expecting to freedom. Thank you, and may God bless you.
You're welcome. They were my brother. Who want to say something here now?
Talk to me.
Margaret Jogwa, you're welcome. Talk to me. Talk to me. Okay, now.
Sir?
Go on.
Okay. Mazi, the only thing I want to say now, everybody know now that now could go over now. But let's try, because I may say this time around, if we miss it this time around, I don't know when we are going to get it. That's just what I have to say. So we need to pray, work hard. I thank you. I've joined on this program. So anytime I join, you know I'm here. And if I get your notification, if I join, you know I'm here. Anytime you want me to talk, I will put mouth on every topic you bring here. Mazi,
yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. None of us that fight the battle. Nah, they say now only foolish hunter when no say in dog na in partner. So we do everything we got to do. Anything anybody can do, anyhow you go do. Like I used to tell everybody all the time that even the comment where you come make here, now your own contribution, a big contribution, but you don't know. You viewing me here is a big contribution, because only me no go feed. I no go feed talk, listen to myself. Now when I talk, somebody go listen to me. May go take this caller. Hello. Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, Ogigo. Thank you very much for great job.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
you see, it's just like welcome. So just like the video you are playing and what our son Mazimas was saying. You see them in the bush shaking money, while people in the city, people in the bank can't get the money. People in central bank can't get the money, but terrorists in the bush have the money. You know, something happened this evening. I was discussing with one of the P2B coordinators in Niger State. I was discussing with the man this evening. I asked him, how is the election preparing? He said, which election? I said, P2B election now. He said, P2B is not contesting. I said, what? He told me that P2B is not
But Dragon
contesting
told
the
them now. But Dragon told them.
The owners of the
P2B, bro, hold on. Make I throw this house. P2B yataka kashi. P2B yataka kashi. Buri yataka kashi. Monkey don't step on.
Hold on.
Okay.
I beg, make we hear am, make people hear wetin they contribute, because he get better thing we want talk. Don't call me direct, call me on WhatsApp, I beg. Because when you call direct, you spoil another person call. Mazi, go on.
Okay. Yeah, so I was asking about the Biafra coordinator. He told me that people in Niger State have warned him they don't want to see anything P2B again in Niger State. Then now, he said he tried to reach out to P2B group and the P2B group, that person that to P2B, their leader, told him that, boy, if you can't solve the problem by yourself, forget about it. So that's why now the man now told me that he said anything P2B now is getting him angry. That I should talk about anything. That P2B is not contesting for presidency again. That if P2B is not contesting, he said I should repeat it. P2B is not contesting again. He was so angry about me. So what I'm saying there is that our people, we should keep on doing what we are doing. Believe me, someone told them that before January this thing will finish, that many of them will know what is happening. And true, it's happening because it's clearing in their eyes. It's clearing in their eyes. One old man in Nnewi this afternoon told me that. He said, come. He said he's going to get Balala. He said anybody that talk P2B around his compound, anybody that talk about the election around his compound, he will use the Balala. So he will start beating people now. I said, Papa, don't believe me. He said he will start beating them. How do human beings change? P2B will win their Zoom election. Okay, see what is happening. These are the senior citizens with the Naira. While our people, the second-class citizens are fighting in the bank. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Max, you were saying something before.
I wanted to support what my brother, my Namoche, the last caller just said. P2B in Hausa, there is a proverb they say. He say, Biri yata kakashi. That is monkey don't step. You know, say when monkey step on something that is very, very, sticky, you go the waka like somebody with they do in Yanga, You go the waka like somebody where they do in Yanga. So that is in Hausa. They say if they want to insult you, let's say me then you we are saying something right now. The typical Hausa language, they will tell you say, okay, maybe I insulted you and I apologize. Then I will reply in a very rude manner. Biafran voice. Biriyata Kakashi. That is, you step on toilet on excreta, and then you know how you'll be hitting your leg and trying to clean it in any different form you can. Wherever the excreta is stick on your body, then you begin to remove them. That is how it is a very derogatory way to answer people in Hausa language. That is real Hausa. Biriyata Kakashi. That is what this man has just said concerning the coordinator in Niger State about the P2B, prospect in Niger State. So thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mazi on the phone. Go on now. Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah. I'm sorry to any more one thing. What they go, I was matter here from these people and what they can do us. You remember during the war, we had the China Mahamadi here again in the Biafra. They punish us by he make agro some of us and some of our children.
Yes, blockade. Yes.
We're supposed to learn from that. Nyahana Joe Kai, we can one agro. You are getting 1960, 66, 67, and 70. And when what happened like that? During the time of Anna Perico in China, or put to educate the money alone, but when call we should learn from that. People when I need a guy needed now, not a bank. And when you get again, look at our children. Even me, I am talking to you now. But we one night and people when I know law. But talk and we am not in a bank or the deed like constant.
They can bring like 20 pounds.
Yeah, anything. So the only thing I get media is to listen to our second in command will man time on air to tell us what to do. We must find it out to make sure like it's sending here to our people over there. Because so glad on the thing and achievement. Our children is going to die in hunger. Our women, our boys, I'm not being behind the hand, never gonna get on into that now. So I can find a way, we be friends, find a way to make sure I can send the buy him more warrior. And I get something himself, and I will have to take action for those back. Simon Ebene come 7 days to make sure from now to 7th of January, February to make sure that now. Thank you guys at least equal to us because our chapter and I actually my we had your hand by 1967 and 1970. That is what they want to do now. But we never allow them. So I am when you find one way or the other to make sure I can send our people here back home. Or we'll type it Jamaica, economic that is the only thing we have to fight for now. Because the secret, we have known the secret, and we are not going to surrender, and we are not going to do any election in Nigeria anymore. As the man and the Calabata, we cannot be part of Nigeria anymore. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Mazi.
My people are
Mazi,
suffering.
be strong, Mazi, be strong, Mazi.
Honestly, sometimes when you see what is coming, how it is coming with full force, you be like you want to get paralyzed. Just look at what they are planning to do is even worse than the time they gave us 20 pounds.
Worst. This one, they want to take everything.
They want to block everywhere. They want to block everywhere. Nobody gets anything. Nobody. Even to eat, people are begging to get enough money to buy food stuff for their family. They can't get. While in the north, they beg you to come out and change your money. And if you come out to change your money, they give you bonus. And somebody is still waiting for one Nigeria. Mazi, go on. Almost.
Please, I want to contribute a little bit of what you people are saying. Especially, I want our people that are listening to understand that this thing they are doing is just to fight this election that is coming because they want to stop this our pattern of cheaters
Because if anybody goes to bank now, you cannot even get money. Even ordinary transfer. Because before, like last 2 weeks, I called my people at home. They said you cannot get any money from the bank, but if you want to buy something in the market, even if it's something 100 euro, you enter KT, you can do transfer. But now, the transfer doesn't even go at all. Even if it's 100
Transfer
naira,
the work like a melon.
200 naira, 1,000, it doesn't go again. To tell you that these people have plan. And all this plan is just to fight our liberation because they see our result in this coming election that we want to sit at home. And you know our people. And normally, if somebody don't eat, you cannot have the power to move. You watch the way they are attacking everybody on sit at home. They say you provide food for them. The people want to die because of hunger, because of ordinary sit at home, which everybody knows that sit at home did not affect anybody's stomach at all. Because Nigerian people sit at home for complete 3 months. Nobody die, nobody gets headache. This is planned before the time. And our people should prepare themselves and know that this is the last battle. They should go and our people should begin to store food in this month, before end of this month, because the way these people are going, that even somebody cannot buy something in the market and do even ordinary transfer, the transfer will not go. Imagine, not even about cash. Just that you buy something, you want to do transfer with POS or want to do transfer with your app or your phone. That one doesn't even work again. This is very called Nigeria. Okay? It's a very big battle. And I'm telling our people, Biafra people, they should know that all this thing is packaged to us because they know that we are getting our freedom, that we are serious to get this freedom. And they want to use all mechanisms, everything available, they want to use it as fight. And we should also know that the people even fighting us more strongly, the people that was shouting maybe 3 years ago, we need Biafra. They are the people fighting us now. Those people on the Facebook, on the Instagram, every day they are on the radio Biafra, shouting Biafra. They are the ones fighting us deeply now.
Thank you.
Not even position. The people we are fighting together, those criminals are the ones now fighting us. They don't want to see this come through. I saw many of them doing everything, making every effort to make sure that we fail. But they will be the one to fail. So may God continue to inspire our freedom.
Thank you. Yeah, the noise, the caller carry the noise come.
Mazi, I want to say small something.
Okay, hold on. After this caller.
Hello, Mazi. Good evening.
Ndewo, go on.
I want to say kudos to your work, my brother. So, my contribution is just concern the money issue. Full anything they are smart. So, if you go back to history, the Igbos, nobody ever conquered the Igbos. Even the Portuguese, they came, they see us, they left. They were before the British came. So, we are never conquered people. Despite the cycle we have, this battle we are going to defeat the Fulani. Next year is going to be. But just believe me. So people should not worry about it. We are behind the matter. So God bless you there.
Thank you.
Amen.
Okay. Talk to me. You say you wanted to say something.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mazi, I want to talk something about P2B small. There's a time Dragon made the broadcast and I said that time will come when all these comedians from Ndana and how these people are saying that they're not from Biafra.
From Edo State.
Their governor is Okowa, right? Okowa
na Delta State.
Sorry. No, sorry. So forget about maybe I do mistake that, but Dragon said that time will come when all these comedians P2B. all these comedians that are shouting P2B, time will come when there will be nowhere to be found. You know, I later discovered that thing in Facebook. There is this one, his name, that this comedian called Privilege. When he was saying about P2B, when P2B was campaigning from there to there, do you know what they did to his house? They fall him house. They fall his house. He ran away. I think he's not that time he ran to UK or what. Understand? So none of them now Nigeria now. All those comedians now, half of them away. So that one is apart. You see, as we are dealing to these people here, Biafra land, do you know that Russia now Britain and America is Russia is dealing with America and British. You understand? So if we will be strong, hold them in our side. Forget about British, Russia. So that's all I have to say. We need to be strong. This Naira note, no matter anything, they use it to hunt us. But I will say, we are not afraid of them. Bama Soros, that's just the truth. Bama Soros, Bama Soros, jihadists, Bama Soros, we are not afraid of them. So be the men as Soros. We are not afraid of them. They should know. Men, I'm seeing men, update of men. I see when men give updates. I see when men give updates. I know men are working. Mama Soros, we are not afraid of them. That is just we are not afraid of them.
Viewers, Biafrans, yes. I want make una watch this video again to know that everything Kanu have said and what Simon is crying that made them say they want kill him, made they go arrest him, they sign petition. It happened. People for South, when I say South, including Yoruba, including Middle Belt, Autumn, including Biafra, they cannot get anything from bank. But in the North, they go their house, they beg them, come out and change money. Do you have any money to change? Come and change them. Now who go? CBN go. I want to make you watch them in case you know watch them before. Because I see numbers are increased now that are here. So watch out.
Dwellers in Kaduna are being sensitized on the redesigned Naira notes by officials of the Central Bank of Nigeria. As the Apex Bank moves to phase out the old Naira notes, those in the hinterland can now swap their old notes for the redesigned Naira notes.
A lot of the populace are staying in the rural area, and that like you don't have many banks in the rural communities. So we felt that the best way for us for this new currency to reach the common man is to go down to the hinterlands, and do the currency swap.
Officials of the bank are encouraging the unbanked people in remote areas to open bank accounts and embrace e-banking.
In places where we discover that the unbanked people, we try to make sure that they open accounts with the commercial banks. That's why you can see that we have a team of some of the commercial banks with us.
Residents say swapping their old notes for the redesigned Naira notes within their neighborhood is convenient.
I feel joy as I change my own, I get the new Naira. As if I'm not spending it, I'll go and hide it. Yes. I don't want to spend it now because they say if you go spend this one, they will give you the old one. And I don't have account.
To me, it's kind
Now, this is where I want, you see, they went to their community, gather, every community go gather, every kindred they go gather, they go change their money. And then you see them there, CBN takes currency swap to Kaduna. This is not the one where they cover. And I bet you they are going to cover every note to make sure everybody change their money. While our people are dying, killing each other, fighting each other. Mothers are going naked, crying for their for just to get their own money, to get their own money from bank to feed their children. Not that now I want you to listen here. This girl went and changed 10,000, and after she changed the 10,000 naira, they gave her 200 naira bonus. I want you to listen very attentively here. Listen.
Kind of because I don't get to use my transport. It's just at the neighborhood. You just go there, write down your name, and you get it swapped. Yeah, I was able to swap 10K, and I got 200 naira. Yeah.
To promote solution, the cash swap service is available for people without bank accounts. The CBN is encouraging rural dwellers to return their old notes before the February 10th deadline. Nero, Ara News.
I believe say be this one no be Simon News, Arise News. So make una hear am. Max, go on.
You see, Mazuko, my co-panelists, and the great sons and daughters of Biafra land that are listening to us, and those in the comment section, if there is no time, you'll be serious of your freedom. That time is now. If at all you never believed in Biafra restoration, or believed when Mazen NNAMDI Kanu was talking and shouting and preaching, ranting, call it whatever. If there is no time, you believe Simon Ekpa and all the media warriors that have come out to state the position and the state of affairs in that zoological republic. My brothers and sisters watching these videos, it is time for you to wake up. Ndị Igbo sị na ebe nwata na-ebe akwa na-arụ aka ma nne ya nọrọ ya nene. I am pleading with all of you. If they have never supported in anything, when sit at home comes, please, my people, sit at home. Just obey that sit at home to tell the zoological republic that you are no more interested in the unity of that country, because that unity is death sentence to all of you if you keep it on. Please, before I leave this great platform and my brother, Prophet Biafra Voice, I would like to tell you people, please, no matter what happened, or through G or through D, wherever your brother, a co-agitator, has offended you, even if the person, he or her, has not come to apologize to you, remember, there is one thing that joins us together, and that thing is Biafra, irrespective of where the person comes from. That thing is Biafra. Please make peace with the real people that are often seen fighting, taking over from where Mazen NNAMDI Kanu stopped before the unfortunate kidnap. My people, I tell you, if you want to know, I am borrowing and unquote Mazen NNAMDI Kanu. If you want to know what the future holds for you and your generation, look at the Hausa indigenous people and the northern indigenous minority people. That is the only thing I will tell you. Don't expect the United Nations to come and help you. Don't expect AU to come and help you. ECOWAS, European Union, whatever, to come and help you. Your freedom lies in your hand and what you can use your hand to do. If you cannot jump, ndị Igbo sị na atụrụ sị na amara, ndị mmadụ sị na ama ka esi agba nkwa, mana kụrụ nkwa bata na ama nne ya, ma amara ka esi agba nkwa ya wụwa kwam 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 kwam. This is the only thing I will tell you people. I will support in any way I can And like I always stated here, if it is inevitable, we will do it the other way around. God bless you. May God protect Mazen NNAMDI Kanu wherever he is. If it is my sin that is going to make that song of God to remain there, please, God, forgive me. And add to the prayers of other genuine agitators to free our leader. May God protect Mazi Simon Ekpa. May God protect Tumada Ududuwa and the Arewas that will also like to be on their own. May God protect the Biafran people wherever they are. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you so much, Max. God bless you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. You're always there. So I think we don't try and make we go on this advert.
You must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who is doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we're making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
None of you can deny that what I'm saying is the truth. You know it's the truth. But either you won't write it, or you're too cowardly to speak it, because you want some favor here or favor there. So because you can't talk, you are muzzled. I'm not. I'm a free black man. And I didn't come here looking for a handout. And I really don't think you need one. Your problem is that you think you need a handout. Everything you need is right under your foot.
Yes. I want us to remember also that Saturday, that's by next tomorrow, is our fundraising. All these things, where would they cry, where would they fight, where would they holler, is because we have not gotten our brothers sponsored well. We need you to come and sponsor our ESN. If the Northerners have come out publicly to tell you, Northern elders, Northern politicians, Northern Christians, Northern Muslims have come out to stand with Gumi, telling you that the terrorists are their warriors. Why can't you come out and stand with our ESN that are stopping these terrorists from killing you and killing your generations? Come out and support us this Saturday, next tomorrow, just less than 24 hours. Or okay, in 24 hours. No, it's more than 24 hours. Sorry, maybe just say call up 30 something hours. I beg everybody, make una join hands, make we bring this Biafra to come. Biafra my project. Talk to me. Biafra my project just entered now. Do you want to say something? Because I have to go and rest. I have code.
Oh, okay, Mazi. Okay, Mazi. Thank you, everybody. I'm honored and I'm joining you. Actually, this is the first time I'm joining anybody in the program. The first time I started watching Dragon was that time he was starting. He even called my name on the comment section when he's going. Anytime he's closing, like you're closing. That time he's starting. He even called my name when I was commenting that time. But I don't want to call my name that time because I don't want to call it his original name. So, Mazi, anytime I see you on live, I will join you. And any topic you bring, we'll make sure we'll trash it. Anyhow we be, but you see this time around, we don't need to miss this one. If we miss this target, it no go good for us. But this time around, it's us, and our leader will come out. Now they are just beating around the bush. I'm just watching, reading the press release, reading everything. They are just beating around the bush. Let them lead, man. and forget about UN and blah blah blah. They are saying they know what they are doing. Also Okochukwu na the same people. Okochukwu na the same people. They will tell you they give 6 months to release our leader. They know themselves. It's for we to make them holding our leader to be more expensive than releasing it. And I thank for doing this. Whenever they are saying all this manner of thing, calling dragon, all this manner of names, I just look them and laugh. Oga Woga, them he is your boss. I tell them follow who no road. I comment, they block me. And if the only one comment in their program, they will block me. Because they know number 2 comment. If you read my comment 2 times, your heart will be judging you. You make mistake on your program. So they know me. So Maz, I thank you. I thank you so much. Maz, be strong. All paracetamol.
Wait. Okay. Mba Ebu Emeka. Can you hear me?
Yeah, bro, I'm hearing you so loud.
Okay. I beg you, just take 2 minutes and say everything you want to say because I just want to close. I brought you in because I've never seen you here before.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for your concern. Please, it's only just some word I want to drop out for Obi followers. I'm just coming back from work. I'm always on your program, but unfortunately today I've not meet up. I'm just coming back now, so I said let me just join in. So I also comment and share some wisdoms. All of us need to understand. Please, what I want to say is this: if you watch this new money now, secretary for north side, if you look it very well, you know that the politicians are doing it properly, are doing it very well to make sure that not have everything. Now, Obi, let Obi followers tell Obi, make him tell those people, their teammates, when they carry the money now, come from our own side. Because we need that money more than those people where they're not. Because most people don't see what they use the money to do. Is it the farm they are going, Is it the cattle they are carrying? So please, I want to use your channel to send this message to them with the outside there. We're shouting OP. I want to see OP to tell them to bring their money to our own side for East, so that we will have things to do, to use that money to do something. Because of now, things is very hard for them. Even for us with abroad, if you send money to Nigeria now, you become a problem. First way you send money cannot withdraw that money. So have you seen the way these people are trying to make us to know that we are not among with them? Upon all those things going on, all of them still don't want to put ear together and put head together to understand things that moving on. Until the time the head will come on, that time they will understand. Now, fuel is not the 2 things we need is not affordable. One is not affordable. Fuel is not affordable. Brother, take it now. No, let us use common sense and check this thing. Fuel is not affordable. Money is not affordable. So what I will, these only 2 things is important in that country they call zoo, and we don't have it. So what are we doing? Those politicians and the OB people. What?
As in there, Biafra project. I think Biafra project. Who talked before? Okay, now Biafra project don't talk. Now talk to me.
And me talk before this brother talk.
Now talk to me. Talk. I be Biafra project talk.
Now me talk before this last brother talk.
Biafra project, Okay, talk to me. Are you there?
Sir?
Okay, now you talk.
Yes, sir. Yes, now me talk last. No be Biafra project.
Okay, thank you. Biafra project, are you there? Okay, battle cry, are you there? Anyway, Biafrans, we must remain resolute. I want us to remember this is the time we must all come together wherever you are. This song that is calling everybody to wake up. arise, arise, go back to where you belong to, go back to your roots. You cannot take back Nigeria because you never had it before. Nobody collected Nigeria from your hand the way you want go collect back. You can only take back what belonged to you. You have never been in Nigeria. Nigeria has never belonged to you in any form. You have a part of it has never belonged to you. Nigeria was formed, organized, not to exist, not to work. This is what they want. So that out of chaos, they will be enjoying while you are dying. So people, we must take it or we lose it. Biafra is now. So Biafra,
no election.
No election. That one, they know they go there.
No
that
election.
one, we don't talk. I'm still.
If you come, your canopy, your leg go lost, your chair, the leg go lost. Only the pan go stay for ground.
Of course. So, dear friends, I will say good night from me here. Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Wakosisi nepueme na kuruta. Ebubeli gwemo bilien. Oja pantu mene pilochimo. Olisabi ni gwemo bilien. Kulio bilio. Chukwo kikabiama. Boro na nyaga. Kulio bilio. Chukwo kikabiama. Boro na nyaga. Kulio bilisienu. Chukwo kikabiama. Pusiere na nyaga. Kulio bilienu. Chukwo kikabiama. Pusiere na nyaga. Maximum respect to my own diluted leader, Prophet NNAMDI Kanu. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. They came from Sahel, they came from Chad, they came from Niger, Senegal and Mali, claiming our land, killing our people because of our blessings. My God, go to Benin bushes now, they're everywhere, kidnapping and killing people every day, raping and killing our women and men, slaughtering them in their family. Hey God, kidnapping and killing Christians night and day, and nobody they talk. Chimo, dividing and ruling we anyhow, as if you are not human being. My God, abducting and killing Biafrans every day, and the whole world to watch, the whole world to see. Kulio, Kulio, Chukoki Kabiama. Kulio, Kulio, Chukoki Kabiama. Corona Nyara. What causes in the problem? Ebubeli Kwamo, Bilienu. Oja Bantu Mene Pilochimo. Olisabi ni Kwamo, Bilienu. Kulio, Kulio, Chukoki Kabiama. They splitted us just the killers. They rape our papa, they rape our mama. He go do me, we are one. He shone bank, we are one people. The robo is so cold, we are one. He's on security, we are one people. Ogoni Kalabari, we are one. Kalabana and Dibo, we are one. He go do me, we are one. He shone bank, we are one people. Urobo is so cold, we are one. He's on security, we are one people. Ogoni Kalabari, we are one. Kalabana and Dibo, we are one people. They splitted us, just the killers. They rape our papa, they rape our mama, they rape our wives, they rape our girls, they rape our sisters, raping even our children, raping their car with the concealant to women with the top and they die. Small, small, small. Chukoki Kabiama. Chukoki Kabiama. Chukoki Kabiama. Hola, run la base, Biafra. Hola.